Hi guys!
So,
This game name is Daycare 2.
pero, nakakatakot siya. Pero hindi siya masyado nakakatakot.
Yes.
Pero,
I'm here with my cousin.
but wait guys, like and subscribe and comment for part 2.
Also guys,
If you want part 2 guys. Paano sila nagkaroon yan? Shop! Ay, eto. Hey everyone, your friend is arrived. My name is
guys, I'm a small content creator, but I can't make some YouTube shorts, so I only make a video.
Let's go! Daycare! Aw, that's not enough money.
But maybe I can learn how to make YouTube shorts, or I already know. Oh, maybe later I can make YouTube shorts. That's all for what I'm going to say. Pero I don't know kung meron sasabihin pa ako. Ha! Ba't yung tabako? Go, jump! 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 Ouch!
Matay ka?
No. Paano naman tayo mamamatay?
May elevator pala.
Meron?
Oo, dito. Open it.
Ah! Nasaan kayo?
Dito sa taas.
Ay, nasa taas. Kala ko nasa baba.
No floor, no!
Guys, did you know that this game is old? Hindi lang.
Dito lang yan, oh. Taas.
Kaya,
Yung sa taas na kami, pupunta na kami sa taas. Bilis, maganda ka sa ano.
Ay, ouch. Who would like to play? Me! Me, please! Me! I do! Blue tayo, blue ano?
Whee!
Blue kaya tayo ano?
Okay. Red yan eh, dito.
Blue. Yan.
Ano ka?
Blue.
Red.
Hindi ko talaga. Wait. Guys, did you know that it's blue?
Eh, natignan mo ko. Red ba talaga?
O, diba?
Hindi na. I pick red. Ang dami blue. Set.
Go!
Go.
Go! Si unahan na oh. No! Don't. No, paunahan. Wag niyo kasi tulak pababa. Ay, pababa. Go! Yun! Punta lang! Yun! Ikaliwan nyo! Go! Ay, muntik na yun! Go! Go! No! No, wag! Please! La! Dito ako na una. La! No, please! Doon, ang bagal kasi!
Yes, dati naturo ko ng red.
Looking like it's a time well played, everyone. Aray mo.
Oh, you're a cheater.
I'm very hungry. Kumain. Ay.
Kumain.
Me too.
Ano pagkain, no? Masya dito tayo.
Lang.
Blue.
Uy! My sword! Yay!
Ilan ba yung... Tignan mo pera mo dito sa baba.
30.
O 30, 10 sa akin. Dito ka, Marshall. Dito sa...
Andun. Sige. Ginaganon mo din ako, di ba? I want chicken. Chicken.
Burger.
Cheeseburger. Hanap kaya tayo ng, wooden sword.
I already finished.
Ay, ito, wooden sword. Wooden sword. Watcha!
Ba yun?
Ito. Yan. Painting kaya tayo. What is that sound?
Ay, na-color na tayo. I built a house. And the house.
Huh?
What happened, guys?
Ay, parang yan. Ayan yung sa Di ba yun yung sa Brick Story?
Parang lang. Yesterday, a daycare has been attacked by a big monster. Report says that the
Children have managed to escape. However, the monster is still on the... Beware, as the monster is followed by his loyal minions. If you see the monster, report. Diba? Report it to the police immediately. Keep all doors and windows shut.
Mama! Saan sila? Wala tayo ng dalawa.
Hindi, I know. We are going to die. Just hide. Calm down. There's nothing to worry about. Bone, sinabi na nga may yung monster eh. I'll turn the power back on. Everything will be fine.
Marlon, nag-aaway kami dito.
Wala. Didipit ko nga monster. Yeah.
Sasama ko kay mama.
Yung face. Continue. Doesn't mean like that.
Yes. What is that outside? Outside.
Oh my god, it's the monster.
Oh my god, it's the monster. Nagka-heart
Attack
attack.
mini minion.
Just get away. Tignan mo food ko.
Nakakatakot, panot. Haha, you guys cannot catch me because you're so fat.
Tulong!
Fight nyo, di ba guys? Fight nyo lang kasi.
I almost fall down.
Haha, pag naka-mic off. Nakakatakot! Help! Help, ba't ako pinu-follow? Mini minion niya, minion. Dito lang ako. Ay, wag na, baka mamatay pa. Dito nga ako sa bedroom ko. Ay, di ko pa to nakikita Dahil ma. Uy, yun! Black cola! Yum, yum, yum.
Yes, ang dami ko ng food, ah.
Dami.
Sarah! I called Sarah!
Money. Fake money.
Fake money, no? By who? You
The
don't
master
trust-
malamang. Uy! Flashlight!
Master.
Ay.
You don't trust us. The master. Saan yan?
Bedroom malamang. Uy, book. Uy, black si Cola. Yehey!
Apple.
Uy, coin. Yehey. Dami kong food, oh.
Look at mine.
Tignan mo. Teddy bear.
Ano daw?
Hey, go to your bedrooms for sleep. Okay. Gusto lang po namin. Where are you? Wala. Wala kong kasama. Wala, wait lang. Parang tayo na lang. Ay, dito. Wala, tayo na lang apat. Paano sila namatay? Dali-dali lang. Ay, ayun, pang ano, heal. Mochi ichi acho, chinchan.
Hindi ka niya makakahiga.
Ay! Mamaya nag 100.
OMG.
Nag-gym tayo.
Oh my God! Guys, yung aswang, yung Jack lang monster. They curse.
Alam, may napaginipan ako.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning!
Madam.
Come downstairs. Why would I?
Time for breakfast.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Uy, mupo kayo para makakuha kayo ng food.
What's up?
Diba? Napabawasan ako.
What's up? What's up?
Napabawasan ako.
Weh. Di talaga.
What do you have today?
Pancakes.
I smell pancakes.
Pancakes! Once you have pancakes, you can go and play.
Hindi ko ubos yung pancakes. Ike. Flash. Wash. Hello.
Yummy.
I have to know. Yan pala nasa ano pa din yung inventory na.
Yep, have
Uy,
fun
stop.
everyone.
Di ko
Hi.
Uy, ito! Parang bata talaga tayo.
Ah! Uy, nakatayo ako, yehey.
Uy, volleyball! Uy, ala, yung bola! Yung bola! Huwag na.
Oh, dito slide.
Saan?
Hmm?
Pwede pala sa likod. Swing!
Woo! This game is too old. Mucha!
Watcha!
May coin! Yay! May coin din! Yay! Ouch! Weh!
Saan tayo? Ouch!
Let the one go! Oh!
Ay, no! No, you cheater. Where's it?
No, 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 no!
Tuto na tayo. Paganto, paganto, paganto.
Wala, AFK si Tito Emma. Kailangan ko pala kontrolin. Oh, no, 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 no. Doon lang pala ata sa elevator. Doon lang sa elevator. Bili, bili. Bili, Tito Emma. Andito na yung, ay, baka andito. Malapit na yung monster. Quick, run to the elevator. Run to the elevator. One. One. One.
Two.
One, two.
Oh my God. It's the monster.
Bleh, haha. Hala.
Hello.
Ble, ble, haha. Ble, ble, haha. Ble, ble, hoy! Ah!
O, di ba alam ko?
Ble, ble. Ble, ble. Ah! Ble, ble. Ouch!
Kasi tayo pupunta. Pababa.
Nasaan na yung ano, mother? Nasaan na?
Mother.
Mother? Where are you?
Everybody.
No, we are not. I am not okay. What is this place? This is the place where you run.
Yeah, true.
This place is so creepy. How do we get out of here?
Tatakbo lang dun, oh.
No.
Hang on.
Hang on. Where's Sarah?
Sarah Buday?
I heard her screaming. What happened to her? Ay, ikaw? Attack! Attack!
Kaya na may aswang.
Attack! Attack!
Halloween tuloy.
Attack!
Attack the door.
Attack! Attack! Attack!
Oh no. Go
Bombastic side eye. Ah! Sana pala, doon na lang tayo sa gilid, no? Watch out!
Watch out!
Watch out! Si Shockwave! Watch out! We need to get out of here. Yeah. Watch out!
Huyat! Ay! Nauntag. May nakita ko yung coins. Kukuhain na.
Where can I pick up the pickaxe?
Dito. Dito. Dito.
Saan ba?
Ito. What if we go this way?
Hindi ko makuha eh.
Hintayin lang natin. Ano ka ba?
We need to find something to break
Oh,
this
diba? Ito.
plan.
Sa akin to, sa akin.
Akin to.
Mi.
Ayan.
Ako.
Oh, nasan yung wooden, ano ko? Wooden sword. Yung wooden sword ko.
Ito yung wooden sword ko.
Wooden sword ko.
Wooden.
Ikaw, kasalanan mo yan ah. Yun. Tumalong. Wow. A Minecraft. A minecart. Minecraft tuloy.
Ay, grabe.
Nam. Harry, let's go! Chicken ko pa, oh. Hindi ko pa nakakain, oh. Nam. Ah!
Ako manguna. Ay, nakakatakot ako yung nauna.
Sarap.
Nakakatakot ako yung nauna.
Sarap, oh. Buti ako yung panghuli.
Wow.
Naglalag yung babae, oh.
Nagusto na kayo. Wow.
Naglalag si
Alright,
Shockwave. Ay, hindi.
Alon. Ala, kanino to? May motor doon. Ay, naglalag si Erms.
We should be very close to getting out of here now. Sa tingin. Andito wooden pickaxe ko, oh. Pickaxe. Wooden sword kasi.
Wooden sword pala.
Go! Mamaya nabagsak. Mababagsak. Ay, hindi. Bili, di ba ito yung namamatay ka? Yung parkour. Kaya mo na dapat yan, ah.
Dito ako na nahihirapan. Paano kasi paikot?
The exit is up there. Yes! Yes! Oh no, rocks are falling. Bilisan! We need to get out of here quickly. Bili, yung ano ko, yung my heart is pounding. Not gonna lie.
Naglalag.
Ouch! How di ka labaw?
Ano?
How di ka labaw? How di ka labaw? How di ka labaw? Done.
Naglalag si Erms.
Get out of the mine shaft. Ay, shaft.
Ito, naglalag.
72 ka lang. Ako. 72 ka lang. Ako 81. Few, we made it. We finally made it out.
50.
You have earned 5 points. Ay, 5 points.
No, hello. Naikot yung ilon.
Guys, where are we? In a road.
Nasa forest. Alangan.
In a spooky forest. In the middle of nowhere.
Sabay ano galit. Nalipad si Inday.
I'm so scared. How do we should follow this path. Make sure, surely it will lead us somewhere. Oo, dun sa toilet, ay. Ano kaya yun? Trap?
Tapakan mo.
May bear pala. It's raining tacos.
Nagbabawas.
Quick, we need to find... Ayun, ayun! Ayun oh guys! Ayun, ayun! 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 Dito kayo guys! Dito, dito! Uy, coins, thank you! Dito, dito, dito! Uy, dito! Ano ka ba? Kunin ko nga to. Ay, bawal.
Dito ko.
Oh, bawal. Ano kaya to? Yun!
Green ako.
Healing bean. Mm. I don't think the rain will stop.
Oo, ba to?
Oo. Tatlong bites. Yeah, let's wait in this test for the rain to stop. To daycare. Finally, the rain stopped. Now go to the platform. Ay, platform.
Guys.
Siyempre, nakita mo ba yung ano? Yung news kaga? Bombastic side eye. My cousin one eliminated. What if din? Wait lang. Kailangan ko pa ito matapos.
Please.
Wala.
Ayoko na. Bye, guys.
Ako lang nasusurvive dito. But it is getting too late. Yep, you're right. Isave mo sa YouTube.
Wala na.
Pumunta ka dun sa gallery tapos dapat meron.
Bawal!
Meron.
Ayoko.
Okay.
Na.
And then,
Ito to
you like the campfire? Ay, sige, wait lang. Bye guys. So that's all today video. Ouch, mommy.